He's just a really likeable chap. He just goes about changing the lives of the girls every single day.
The small steps to them are the biggest step without them even really knowing. As they just put something together that maybe they didn't think themselves they were going to be capable of, and you can see the confidence building within them because everything becomes easy and they flourish.
Birmingham's Selly Park Girls School is situated in one of the UK's most multicultural cities. Paul McCauley is one of the school's busy learning mentors and is an extremely valued member of the team.
Who's this? That's fantastic.
80% of our girls have English as an additional language. Paul works really closely with the girls and their families. He understands, you know, the cultural expectations.
It's a really lovely experience working with Paul in the classroom because he's so friendly and relaxed. He's very calming, but at the same time has a really good sense of humour.
That wasn't one of the options, but it's right.
Paul being there just brings them out of their shell. It brings them a belief in their ability, and it's fantastic to see.
In Year 7, I was struggling in maths, and then Sir decided to help me, which helped me so much that in Year 8 I got 100% in my maths test.
So what do you do with the prime number?
Through my older years, Sir's helped me to read and improve on my English and maths. I just want to thank him for that.
He's patient, but he's not bossy.
Very lucky this morning. You're going to have your first ever assembly with our rights ambassadors.
Selly Park is one of the UK's 5,000 UNICEF rights-respecting schools. The initiative's aim is to promote respect and dignity within school and throughout the community.
In a rights-respecting school, everyone is kind and respectful of rights.
The girls are currently working towards their Gold Award, and as part of their attempt, Paul and some of the teachers have created a school band and are working on a video to promote UNICEF's positive message.
Paul is a vital part of our success so far. He goes over and above his role to engage the girls in the project.
Don't pause, shoot. Brilliant. So the highlight of my week is Wednesday afternoon's football club, my Key Stage 3 team. Got some fantastic footballers, which I like to think that I discovered when they arrived at school. It's just lovely to be able to support them.
He's one of those people that creates energy around school. He does make a difference in their lives.
He's hugely respected and valued by everybody.
There's nothing better than seeing a pupil flourish, and they know if they put the effort in, they can be successful at whatever they attempt.
Mr. McCauley's great. He makes everybody feel happy.
When someone smiles at me, it makes me feel very happy and makes my day. That's what Sir does.